This video will show you how to assemble Uline's downtown office desks. This video walks through the assembly of a 60 by 24-inch gray office desk. While you may have a different size of the downtown office desk, steps to assemble it are similar. Here are the tools needed for assembly. Assemble on a smooth, non-marring surface to prevent scratching. Connect the support frame to the leg connector. Repeat steps for the remaining 3 leg connectors. Insert the adjustable glides into each leg. Place the desktop on the ground with the holes facing up. Set the assembled desk frame on top of the desktop and attach the desk through the holes in the frame. Then, attach the Modesty panel by attaching the bolts through the holes on the legs. With another person, carefully flip the assembled desk table onto its feet and insert the cable grommets. The downtown desk is now completely assembled. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.